Ebooks and videos are the two most popular types of PLR products, but if you have any other types like a mini site with PLR or audio files with PLR or articles or reports with PLR, then you can use many of my makeover techniques on these types of PLR products as well. Now, while this video series looks at rebranding existing products to end up with a new product, I want to make it very clear that PLR products can also be broken into pieces of content that can be added to other PLR products to make an entirely new and more unique rebranded product. So as you're going through the steps of rebranding whatever it is you're working on, try to think of other possible uses for that paragraph or chapter of the ebook or segment of the video or audio files that you're editing. For example, you might have an audio file and video file on the same topic. Now there's a section of the video where a portion of that audio file will fit perfectly. So you do a brief intro to the audio and then transition into an image of the speaker, for example, and then play that section of the audio. Or you have an ebook that you're rebranding and you remember having worked on an article pack within the same niche, and you pull an article or two from that package and insert them into the ebook. Now these are just a couple of examples, but the more projects that you work on, the more items like this will pop into your head if you're thinking about it. So train yourself to be thinking of these things every single time that you're editing your PLR. Now then, the first few videos of this series will cover items like what is PLR, some tips on acquiring quality PLR, and some time and money saving tips on buying a domain name and web hosting. Next, we're going to dive into making over a report, which is basically an ebook but only has 10 to 20 pages versus the 50 to 100 or more pages that you might typically find in most ebooks. We're also going to detail how to come up with a winning title for our made over report. Now these same tips will help you write better copy for your sales pages, squeeze pages, emails, and autoresponder content. In addition to changing the title, we're going to be changing the content a little as well as some of the graphics used within the report. Now, after we do the makeover of the report, we're going to work on a PLR video. And in the making over of the PLR video, we're going to cover things like adding an intro and call to action outro images and some branding techniques with watermarks and why in some cases these can be a great idea and when these are a terrible idea. You'll also learn different ways to change the look of the videos. These will help you stand apart from anyone else that may be trying to sell the same videos. Now, in addition to changing the look of the PLR videos, we're also going to cover changing the sound as well, recording your own voiceovers and syncing it with the video, or a quicker technique of changing the way the video sounds that allows you to get the end product on the market much quicker. Even different ways to present your videos can set yours apart from anyone else that may be trying to sell the same videos. Now, I hope this is getting you excited about the possibilities of what you can do when you know different ways to make over your PLR products. In the Your PLR Makeover video series, you will also learn a few other items like creating and adding PayPal buttons, as well as other editing tips and techniques for your sales page that will help make it more effective in pulling in more sales for your newly repurposed PLR products. And that'll bring me to the end of this introduction video for this video series. Thanks for watching, and you have a great day.